Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm thrilled to showcase a groundbreaking project that revolutionizes signature verification using deep learning techniques. Introducing our signature verification project, an end-to-end system designed to streamline the process of authenticating signatures, saving time and valuable resources for businesses. The first phase of our workflow involves signature detection. Using the powerful YOLOv5 model, we accurately identify and crop signatures from documents. However, real-world documents often come with noise artifacts like text, stamps, and printed lines, which can interfere with the verification process. To tackle this challenge, we employ a sophisticated noise cleaning method based on CycleGAN. This innovative approach ensures that our system can handle noisy signatures with ease. Finally, we arrive at the heart of our project, signature verification. Utilizing a fine-tuned VGG16 feature extractor, we compare the clean signature from the document with a reference signature. The system calculates the cosine similarity between these signatures, providing a measure of their resemblance. A high similarity score indicates a likely match, while a lower score suggests otherwise. Based on our experiments, we recommend a cosine similarity threshold of 0.8 for confident matches and below 0.7 for non-matching pairs. For scores between 0.7 and 0.8, a manual verification workflow can be employed. With our signature verification project, businesses can now automate and expedite the process of verifying signatures, ensuring security and efficiency in their operations. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to check out the project on the GitHub repository for more details. Until next time, happy verifying.